Boom! What's up, everybody? My name is Kim Scogwell, and today we'll be checking out this software called WinEXT, and it's my favorite software to find duplicate files, whether it be images, photos, videos, text, exe, whatever file it is. This one will find it, and it's 100% accurate according to the site here. It checks the file content, not just that they created or the file size. And in my testing, I find this to be very accurate. And if you want to check out the free versus the pro, you can go and do that here. You just go to TrisunSoftware.com and then find it here under program. So if you like this tutorial or review rather of the software, please hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and leave your comments down below. Okay, so you can see I have two different files here or folders on my desktop. So I got test 1 and test 2. In test 1, I got all the files, or each file is double up. In test 2, it's just one instance of that file. And we're gonna make the program, we're gonna first check this folder, and then we're gonna check the folder against folder and see how that works. So this is how WinEXT Pro looks, the user interface. We can see we have duplicates. This is the one we're gonna be concentrating on. But you can also check the size of your subdirectories and directories. It gives you the most recent files you work with. Activity here, not entirely sure what it does, haven't used it. On batch here, you can go in and batch rename. You can change date created in batch on files. Sync means if you put a folder here and a folder here, then you can sync this folder to this folder automatically and remove the files you put in this folder from this folder. And then you have the options here. If you use this sync option, highly recommend you run it when PC boots. And then you can check the other parameters here. But we'll be concentrating on duplicates. So you can see here, select resource. We can do all drives, all but exclude, only scan the following selected drives, or only scan the following files and folders. And we're going to be using this one. So go over here to select. I know it's on the desktop, and I'm going to choose this number 1 first and hit OK. And if I just go over here now and hit find now, it's probably not going to, it actually picked them up. That was pretty good. But if you're looking for duplicate files, I recommend you just check this box and get all these checked and then find now. You get this new window, you get that sound, that means it's done, it's checked. And you can see here, this is one group, this is one group, and it says these two files are duplicates. So if I double click this one, check it out, that's picture of Anubis, the exact same file. You can check out here and see 10841 and 11034, and it's choosing to save or keep on the system the latest file or the newer one. And since I have the pro version, it's automatically checked that file for me, the ones I want to get rid of. And you can see down here it's checked 74.1 megabytes, 12 files, and it's gonna found 148.3 is the total of all these files, and that's how many that has been checked, so half of them. You can go and save the results here if you want. You can load the results from a previous file if you had it. This is what we're gonna be doing. Move the checked files to the recycle bin. So hit the garbage can. These are the files, just double check them over here. Hit OK. And it's ask you if you really want to. Yes. You can see it moves them in there. Hit OK. And then we can go from here. I don't want to save the current result for reuse, so I'm just going to hit no. And now you can see folder 1 or test folder 1 is matching test 2. So it did a perfect job. Now it only has one instance of each file here. But let's say you have two different files. So you got your main folder where you have your images, and then you have your backup folder, and you want to just see how many, if you got everything duplicate or not, or for whatever reason. So you can go in here and just hit select again on files and folders, go to where you have them, check both of them, hit OK, and then you hit find now. And here you can see again it found the same files here, so the same size, because it's the exact same files. And again, it's choosing to keep the newer file, or the one that was late I saved last. So now we can just go up here and hit this move to recycle bin, hit OK. Yes, I want to do it. Hit OK again and go down. And now you can see there are no more images in this test2 folder, but they are all still in test1. And this works just as good on drives, just takes a whole lot of time depending on your drive size, and you can mark out different folders, different drives, and so on. So I highly recommend using WinEXT Pro if you're checking for duplicate files, whether it's images, videos, text, exe, whatever it is. This program will speed everything up for you and save you a lot of trouble. So if you like this review, please hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and leave a comments down below. I would like to hear what you think about WinEXT. I'll see you all next time.